Welcome to the flight test demonstration of the CKT FPV fiber optic spool system. Today, we are showcasing a breakthrough in secure long-range communication for unmanned systems. Unlike traditional radio links, our fiber optic technology provides a high bandwidth physical connection. This makes the system completely immune to electronic interference, radio jamming, and signal dropouts in complex environments. As we monitor the live OSD data, observe the video stability. Even behind mountains or dense structures, the feed remains crystal clear with absolute zero latency. This ensures precise control for critical missions where every millisecond counts. The core of our reliability lies in our proprietary glueless inner winding technology. This allows for high-speed, tangle-free deployment and has been rigorously tested to operate in extreme conditions as low as -30 degrees Celsius. As a primary manufacturer, CKT CO Limited offers professional-grade quality control, scalable production, and direct factory pricing. We provide global B2B support and full customization to meet your specific mission requirements. Experience the future of unjamming long-range links. Contact us today for technical specifications and wholesale inquiries. CKT Drone, reliability without limits.